losing all hope, losing the fight, a desperate prayer. I was sure when unheard, then a passing stranger whispered these words: look for your angels when you don't know what to do. Look for your angels, they're watching over you. Look for your angels when you're lost and alone. Look for your angels, they'll lead you back home. When I looked around, the stranger had gone, but I still hear his voice telling me to be strong. He said, surrender your doubt, surrender your fear, surrender your heart when it's blinded by tears. Look for your